Hi everyone, my name is Snuffles. Sorry, that was a bit loud. Sometimes I get so excited when I see friends. Well, the name is Sniffles. I'm the world's most smartest and most adorable squirrel. Well, at least that's what my mom says. Today's special episode is about World Animal Month, raising the status of animals to improve welfare standards around the globe. Did you know, just like humans, animals have also freedom? Yep, that's correct, buddies. There's actually 5 of them, and they are the gold standard of animal welfare. All living beings have basic necessities: food to eat, water to drink, and shelter to keep us all safe. And the first freedom is the freedom from hunger and thirst. The animal should have ready access to fresh water and a diet to maintain full health and vigor. Aww, these animals are adorable! The second freedom is the freedom from discomfort. By providing an appropriate environment, including shelter and a comfortable resting area. This means you should provide a soft bedding, an area with appropriate temperature, noise levels, and access to natural light. And the third freedom is for the animals to be free from pain, injury, or disease. By prevention or rapid diagnosis and treatment. This includes vaccinating animals and monitoring physical health, treating any injury and providing appropriate medication. The fourth freedom is the freedom to express noble behavior. By providing sufficient space and proper facilities and company of the animal's own kind. They must be able to stretch every part of their body from nose to tail. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. The fifth and final freedom is the freedom from fear and distress by ensuring conditions and treatment which avoid mental suffering. Did you know the mental health of an animal is just as important as its physical health? And remember friends, psychological stress can quickly transition into physical illness. And those are the 5 freedoms of animals. And with that being said, let's go visit our little adventure hero.
Hello, my name is Khumuditse. I have a cat. Her name is Tiny. I love my cat because she likes to play with me and she's very cute. I'm pouring Tiny water so that she doesn't get thirsty. I'm giving Tiny food so that he can be healthy.
Remember, the 5 freedoms are not just for the animal kingdom, but they are a guide to how we can make the world a better place for all living creatures. Let's go out there and make a difference. Goodbye for now, and remember to be a friend to animals.